Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be testing the viral coffee and egg mask, but I'm going to compare it with the also viral rice and honey mask, the Korean version basically. So this is DIY versus Korean DIY basically. So if you're ready, let's start. So I'm going to be making everything from scratch because they're both DIY. The DIY, the coffee one, it's more international, like everybody knows about. I don't know the origins, but the rice one is Korean and also Japanese. Yes, because Japanese people use this. Okay guys, so we're gonna be using some mild blend coffee, and then we're gonna go in with 1 egg and then a little bowl to crack the egg because we're only going to be using the white, and then I'm going to do the yolk tomorrow for breakfast. So basically just mixing, taking a spoon of the coffee, and then we're just gonna add it, mix it until it's fully mixed. And then what we're going to be doing now is to make the rice mask. I'm using some rice pudding because I don't want to waste money buying rice, just that I can do this experiment. So we chose the affordable way, which is to buy the Japanese rice pudding. This is just rice, water, and rice, cooked rice. Added it to the blender, and then I added a little bit of oatmeal to calm and to soothe my skin, and then it also helps like a thickener. Then we added some honey. You could also use melted sugar and add some glycerin, and that is it. And whatever ingredients you have at home, you can add that. Now that you've seen me preparing everything and we finished preparing it, and I have my rice mask here. It is cold because I put it in the refrigerator. This is it. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the rice mask. I'm just using the chopstick to kind of mix it because it's cold. And then this one is the coffee. Okay guys, so now we're going to apply it. I'm going to apply one to the half of my face and the other to the half. I already washed my face and toned it with my toning pad. That's all I did. So I'm going to be using this brush with the coffee mask, and then I'm going to be using this brush with the rice mask. Let us do this. I'm just going to take this little brush with the coffee and the egg. They said after you apply it, you apply paper towel to your face because it helps to remove oil, dead skin, just whatever impurities that is on the face. So I just want to create half layer, and I'm just going to apply it to the areas where, yes, and a little bit here. And if the lighting is going in and out, I'm using natural lighting, so, and I'm trying to get it all over. I think I can use this like about 2 or 3 more times, so we'll see all that because it's a lot of mask. But first let me figure out if I would do it a second time. This is the reason why I don't really like using natural lighting. And the light goes in and out, it's kind of annoying. Look at that. Look at the light just going in and out. But ignore it guys. Oh my gosh, I look like a total different person. After you apply it, you just get your paper towel. I am not going to use a paper towel because it's kind of difficult to maneuver, and also it's a little bit too hard. The paper towel is a little bit too thick, so I'm going to use tissue instead, and I'm just going to break it down so it's not so messy. I'm gonna apply it like this so it's not so messy. I don't want to take it too close to my eyes. You see, it's more easier to absorb. Yeah, the tissue is it's easier to absorb than the paper towel. Paper towel is a little bit too thick, and it's softer too. Yeah, so they said just apply and then just apply it on top. Oh, that's cool. The application is seamless, no problem, to be honest. Yeah, I'm really having no problems with application. So okay, so just don't apply it. Oh, I don't do DIYs. I don't often do DIY, but this is fun to do. But this is subarashi desu. Sugoi.
Better or it's over. The party's over.
Okay guys, so this is half of the face. We're gonna do the next half with the rice mask, the Korean version of the Korean DIY that has been used for many years. Okay, so let us start. So I'm gonna mix up the rice.
Oh my god, hey yo, first time that we kissed, I was like, oh my god, hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god, hey yo, I didn't believe in love at first sight, but it's funny what a little bit of envy could do to you, yeah, it took away you.
Okay guys, so this is what the face is looking like. This is the coffee and the egg on this side. This is what it's looking like with the paper towels or the tissue to layer it. And then this side is the rice, honey, and a little bit of oatmeal to calm down my skin. So then this side, guys, is I'm looking at my face. The rice side, it's not, as I said before, supposed to bleach my skin, but the coffee can give you a temporary exfoliating effect because of the texture. And the egg now, the egg white, can feel tightening when it dries, but that tightening is not the same as collagen or anti-aging ingredients or actually fading dark spots. But yeah.
First time that we kissed, I was like, oh my god, hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god, hey yo. First time that we kissed, I was like, oh my god, hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god, hey yo. I didn't believe in love at first sight, but it's funny what a little bit of envy could do to you, yeah, it took away you. But I like us better when we're sober. Party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. Yeah, I like you better when I'm sober. Party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. First time that we danced, I was like, oh my god, hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god, hey yo. Last time that we loved, I was like, oh my god, hey yo.
Okay guys, so this is the skin. Like when I add my moisturizer, like I don't know anything. I don't know which side I did whatever on, but what I can say is my skin feels amazing. My skin feels beautiful. Like the DIY, you know, it gives you temporary satisfaction. Yes, I'm not really sure if it will have an effect or a huge effect over a longer period of time. Like for example, the brightening ingredients, the kojic acid in rice, I'm not really sure if it's going to brighten your skin at the rate that you would use like a brightening ingredient. And I'm not sure if the mask, the coffee and the egg is going to tighten your skin the way that retinol would, you know, do it. But if it makes you feel good, try it out. But just be careful that the coffee and the technique that I use, the way I applied it, it's a little bit drying. So if you have sensitive skin, I wouldn't necessarily recommend that. But the rice is very, very hydrating on the skin, so you don't really have to worry about that. Just add some glycerin to your formula and then you will be fine. But and don't leave the mask on for too long. Like that is a problem. Both of them, don't leave them on for too long. Don't leave them on until they're fully dry. Just like leave them to the point that they're like a little tacky, yeah, to touch, and then wash them off, and maybe you won't really experience that drying effect. But it was fun doing this, yes. And as I said before, look at my face, tell me which side you think has more glow. Me personally, I feel like my face just has a natural glow because I'm taking care of my skin, and then this just adds to the experience. Just gave me a temporary glow and allowed my skin to feel a little bit nice. Like I don't think my skin is irritated. It doesn't feel irritated. As I said before, this side feels a little bit more tight because of the peeling and so forth, and just the nature of that type of mask. Yes, with a tissue paper, and yeah. But overall, it was a good experience. It was fun doing. And would I do it again? Of course, I would try another DIY mask. Masks are actually really fun. But this is the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoy videos like this, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I feel like I want to do another video like this. Like, I need to find some more viral stuff so I can try it out, you know. Yeah, and on my weekends when I have time off from work, I can just use like a good hour to just film the video and do, you know, a little skincare. Never a bad thing, right? But this is your girl. This is the skin. See you in the next one.
Hey, you made me say